Hey guys, it's Brett the Rusty Nut. I'm out in my garage. It's an absolute war zone in here. It it looks bad. Um, I've got some video that I'm gonna be putting up this week. I did some stuff on the car. I got the fuel system done, the tranny line's done, the new exhaust is in, and I got. Did I say the radiator already? Yeah, I got the radiator in anyway. And then today I'm working on restoring the coil brackets that came on the LQ4 that I started with. And check it out. See what I mean? It's an absolute, it's like a tornado went through here. I cleaned these all up. Wire wheeled those down and hit them with some engine enamel. Here's the other ones. I apologize for you guys seeing the absolute mess. This is embarrassing. But anybody who's been balls deep in a project like I am, you understand. The car's been a full restoration project as well as first time LS swapper. So, but yeah, need to put one more coat of paint on these and I'm done for the night because I gotta get up early for work in the morning. And another thing, safety glasses are very important. Yesterday, for the third time in the last 3 years, I had to go to the eye doctor and have them dig metal out of my eyeball. This one. It didn't feel good. And, yeah, safety glasses, guys. I had them on, but a piece still got up in there. So from now on, I'm going to be using safety goggles whenever I'm cutting something because I don't like that kind of pain. But anyway, you guys will see a video here coming out sometime this week. I did some stuff with AN lines and I don't know what else I got, but I'll go back and look, see what I got, and I'll see you then. Okay, bye.